Hey everyone, I'm Jody Bader.
And I'm Sarah Martinez. We're Project Lad consultants and trainers from Washington State. Welcome to this short video tutorial on using a Project Lad strategy online. As you watch, feel free to reach out and connect with us or get some more tips from our website. You'll see the link below, nextstepsprojectlad.com. Enjoy.
Hey there, we're going to talk about Google Slides and Google Docs with your observation charts. I have a couple of examples for you that were done by some GLAD trainers and teachers in other parts of the country to give you an idea how to go ahead and do this. So here is one idea for observation charts that this trainer has done, and different stations. We see 5 different charts here, and they're all electronic. You could do this whether you are teaching at home online or whether you are back in the classroom for a blended or hybrid model. The first is Padlet, which we have talked about in another tutorial video. Charts 2 and 3, they're using on Google Docs. What's really cool about them is the various ways that the students can respond, either using comments or voice to text. Also, they've got a couple of stations with Google Slides. Again, they're either typing their comments in the chat box or the comment box, or they're using a graphic organizer. Here's their example from Google Slides, the social studies class in 6th grade studying ancient Greece. And they have a variety of slides here. The students have their prompts. What do they observe? Based on evidence, what do they predict? And then what do they wonder? Where they would then, the students would observe the pictures and type their responses in the comment feature above. They would go through the different images. Again, we've talked before in our own video lessons about the importance of using actual photographs and not using clip art. And the students would then do their observation charts in the comment box. Here is the example from that same unit. It's a Google Doc rather than a Google Slide. And so it's one document where the students are observing the photos on the document. Their prompts are there for them, and then they are going to put their observations in the comment feature. So Google Slides or Google Docs, both work. You'll also want to think about logistically how you're doing your observation charts. If you're online, perhaps doing them in breakout rooms and then having the corresponding documents there for students to access. If they're in the physical classroom, perhaps having them in their bubble within a bubble, or their teams doing it on a device or on paper.